Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to disable notification on Trust Wallet. So in order to do that, first go ahead and launch Open Trust Wallet application and log in. From the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Toggle off the button right next to allow push notifications, and doing that will disable notifications that you may receive from Trust Wallet. Disabling notifications might affect other app features such as price alerts, since it relies on notification to function. You might also miss important security updates or announcements from Trust Wallet if you continue disabling your notifications. So that's how you can easily disable notification on Trust Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.